think it's now arriving.
You look tired.
Okay.
Hi.
You ready?
Sure.
Hi. Hi. Like 3 hours to our flight. Like 3 more hours to go.
On behalf of all of us at Alaska Airlines and One World Airlines partners, it's been a pleasure having you on our flight today.
We made it. What's up, guys? We're back. We are here. We made it to our Airbnb. We're in Seattle again. That's the entrance to our Airbnb. And then you go up these stairs. There's this door right here that goes outside to the upstairs. There's Jonathan sleeping.
I'm not sleeping.
Resting.
Uh-huh.
There's a little bench here for stuff. Might put my bag there for now. There's Jonathan sleeping. Cool coffee table looking thing. And this cool, dang, I'm tired. There's this cool swivel chair. Pretty nice. TV.
Show them the toilet.
Okay. We've got some cups and whatnot. Plates and whatnot. Yeah. Dinner table. Fireplace. Microwave. Little stovey looking thing. Hidden refrigerator. Hidden freezer. We got a sink. There's me. What's up? And then we got a tea station. And then we're gonna make our way to the bathroom. We're in the bathroom. Oh, fudge is bright in here. Walk-in shower with a giant shower head. And Jonathan's favorite part, the bidet with the remote.
Go outside.
Got our sink. Wait for me. There's me again. What's up? And then we got a little storage. Mad storage. Oh, now time for the room. I gotta do the room first. And here's our room for the next week. I'm gonna sleep there. Jonathan's gonna sleep there. Or maybe in here. I'm gonna put him in here.
We're fine.
I like it. I like this place a lot. We stayed here before. Okay, let's go up to the roof. To the roof! We're outside. Gonna head up to the roof. We're on the roof! Oh look, there's a little barbecue. Wow. I'm gonna sit out here, have my coffee.
Coffee?
Some of the days.
You don't have coffee.
Maybe dinner. Some of the days. Sit out here. Sit right here in this spot. Table right there. You know how they say it always rains in Seattle? Guess what? It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. It's sunny. Yeah. Anyways, sauna?
Sauna if you want.
Okay, sauna tour. Sauna tour. Sauna. Oh, let me take the filter off. Sauna. Jonathan's gonna sit in here, sweat some. Yup. Back outside.
Yep.
Ready to go back down?
I am.
Heading back down. Go back inside. He's gonna go back to sleep.